So today I was changing the exhaust on the Beta R50. I was changing the original exhaust into the Leovince exhaust. So you see this video because it's all cold, and I was wondering what this thing is that is connecting to the exhaust. It's connected, and I don't know, it's just to the exhaust, and these poor one don't have it, so continue. So I can continue. I'll take this ball off again. I'll take his shit off. Yeah. And that is it. Okay. Okay. So it was for nothing there all time. And oh. I've rode it once on dirty road and see what happened to it. But it's going off, so it's just dirt or something. And now it's time for the new exhaust to install. And that will be something. I can take this and install it to it now. And I don't even have the bike in braking time, but it was just so awful sound and boring to ride it, so I bought it immediately. Because imagine that you have to put on the bike like 300 kilometers, which is the braking time, and you have to do it on bike that's boring to ride. You don't want to do it. No one would. And also I changed the pinion. That's the front sprocket, for those who don't know. And I changed it from 11 to 13. But because my Beta in the end, like the rear sprocket has 61 tooth, I think 62, so it may change to be fast as normal 11 tooth and something in the back from. If you will have track Beta and you will restrict it like the rev limiter off, it will be fast as mine with a 13 tooth front sprocket. And if you will put sport exhaust on it, yours will be even faster. So if you're thinking of buying Beta, I would highly recommend buying track version. And not the Enduro, but it's for everyone what they want. I had the budget to buy the track, but my dad and the dealer convinced me to buy Enduro, so I bought Enduro, and I would rather buy a different one, but what happened and can be changed. Now I wonder if it is supposed to fit like this or not. What? Because it does not seal that much. Ooh, changing exhaust for the first time in my life is quite a hard thing. What? You think? Like this. Brilliant. Like
think it's good enough. Man. Okay, so laying down for it, don't make any change. Let's make. This is going to be hard. No, man. Maybe as well. I just hold on. This as well. That's all out. Just this way. Good thing. Oh. Fuck. Fuck, man. Oh. Number one. Number two. Oh. Maybe let's go. Ooh. I am starting to hate springs. What is spring? Fuck. Sarap tu. Well. Di piccole na vievano. Piccio. Kurwa! A, jak to mam kikić?
It is crazy how strong it is.